Hey guys, I'm back with another takeaway race. This time we're doing dumplings, but I've challenged myself to make mine a giant version. You know the drill, I only have the time it takes between ordering it and the food arriving to make my own giant version. So let's order it. Could I please get one order of pork and vegetable dumplings? Ooh, an hour. Okay, see you soon. Go. First up, we're making the dough, which is super simple. It's just plain flour, warm water, and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna start by putting most of my water in. I've got about 90 mils here. Not gonna add all of it. Pinch of salt, bring it together with these chopsticks. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, but it's okay, because you can always add more. You can never add less. Very confident I can do it in the time it takes for these other dumplings to arrive. Will mine be better? Unlikely. The giant version of anything is rarely better. This could be the exception. This could be the best dumpling I've ever had. So I'm just tipping this out here, and then I'm just gonna knead it. I need a little bit more water. This is not the right way to do it. Do as I say, not as I do. Okay. I want it to be a smooth, elastic kind of dough. Right now it's feeling a bit dry. I'm just gonna knead it until it looks right and it feels right. Okay, so the dough is looking nice and smooth and elastic, which is what we want. I'm just gonna cover it with a tea towel and let it rest for 15 minutes so that the gluten can relax and it's not too tough when we steam it and eat it. So I'm gonna food process my veggies. So I've got one large carrot, 4 cloves of garlic, and like an inch and a half of ginger, 4 spring onions, 100-ish grams of mixed mushrooms. That's shiitake, oyster, that's it. Done. 150 grams of pork mince. Straight in with these veggies. Tablespoon-ish of soy sauce, teaspoon of sesame oil, teaspoon of black vinegar, which is my favorite. This is optional. And then a teaspoon of light brown sugar. The dumpling is kind of gonna be in the form of a soup dumpling, but I don't have time to make soup. So this is a soup dumpling without the soup, if anyone was wondering. This is combined. I just need to wait for my dough to rest a little bit more before I roll it out. Let's do a time check. 25 minutes. I think we can do it, but I'm just gonna have a little clean up and then get right back to it. In the meantime, while we wait, I'm just gonna make a little dipping sauce. So I've got a little bit of black vinegar in here. I'm just gonna add some soy sauce to that. I'm also gonna add some sesame seeds. So the dough has rested. It's feeling soft, it's feeling plump and luscious. We're just gonna divide it in half. I'm just gonna roll it out until it looks like a big dumpling wrapper. Gotta fit in here. I kinda wanted the edges to be thinner than the bottom so that it doesn't get all soggy on the bottom. Oh my God, he's on the way, 15 minutes. This is kind of looking good. We've got the dough rolled out into a wrapper. We've got the water boiling. We've got the man on the way. He's 6 minutes away, so this is quicker than he said it was gonna be. Now this is gonna be the tricky part. This I struggle with when it's a normal size wrapper. I actually think I've got too much filling in there. It's not that bad. So I've pleated it, popped it on some greaseproof paper. Now we're gonna steam it for as long as we can before the takeaway man arrives. Can't believe I'm gonna lose again. He's 3 minutes away. He's here. Hi. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Wah, wah. I lost again, but we'll compare on taste and price, and maybe I'll come out top on that. Who knows? In my defense, the driver was quicker than he said he was going to be, so great service. Not good for me, but any other time I'd be happy. Let's look at these little dumps. Aw, pretty cute and tiny. These were £9.50. Which is a lot. I actually haven't tallied up the total of mine yet, but I'll tally it up for you and put the real amount here. So, I lost by about 4 minutes, which is frustrating, but it's only 4 minutes. That was very much up to the delivery driver. The dumplings that I ordered I've realized look to be a very different type of dough. I think they look more yeasted, a bit more fluffy compared to mine, which looks shit. I've definitely won on size and I may win on flavor. We've got to taste it and find out. I'm not gonna lie, it's good. It's delicious, in fact. A bit claggy, but it has been sitting here while I finish my dumpling, so that's my bad. I'm gonna try it with my dipping sauce. Ooh, look at the color. Very green also, which mine is not. More veg than pork, for sure. Now my one. You know what? It's pretty good. I've made a massive mess, but flavor-wise, I'd say it's better. Not to toot my own horn. I said that last time. I can't say it again. I'm gonna say it again, I'm tooting my own horn. My dumpling's great. My pleating, not good, especially in comparison to this one. But a lot more meat in mine for a lot cheaper, which is important. It's hard to compare because they've clearly got different ingredients in the filling, different types of dough. Oh yeah. Oh! So to sum up, I'm actually very happy with how my dumpling came out. I could definitely work on the dough, but for a giant dumpling, I'm very happy with that. I would eat that again under normal circumstances. So even though I lost the race, my dumpling turned out delicious. It even kind of turned out soupy from all of the fat and juice from the pork. It was delicious. I'm very happy with it. Obviously, I will still go out for dumplings all the time. This is not realistic to make at home, but it was fun. I'm proud of myself. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see me race another takeaway, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think I should race next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.